Like, oh god, it started straight away. Hey, it's me again talking about this video. I'm lost for words. It's happening so fast. What's she spraying? Is that like baby powder? Okay. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna call this scruffing the hair to put some volume. Oh my god, where did you get, who did you scalp to get this? How does this work? How does it stay there? I kind of want this behind my ears so I look like Anakin Skywalker. Can you give me a little bit of a clip on this? It's the same color as her hair. It's amazing. Are you, what? Is this a different layer? Okay, guys, we're working off layers here. Like, you know, any artistic person would do, you work off layers because it hides things. Kind of like when I'm feeling chubby, I wear black. And so, yep, more layers, putting it there. I don't know how this stays there. It's amazing. Back to the lightsaber, guys. I watched the recent Star Wars. Didn't really like it, but watching this is so much more entertaining. Okay, so I think she is kind of burning the hairs together to give it a curl. As I said last video, I judge you if your hair is left curled like this. Brush it out, girl. Okay, so she's doing that. Whoa, look at that. It's so intricate. I should try this. Can I try this one time? She looks like Goldilocks, except her hair is not gold. Okay, more lightsaber burning. Okay, hi, Jax. Okay, she's saying something. She's probably talking about what snack to eat later. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll go to Starbucks. Fine. All right. Okay, more curling. I think probably smells like her. Okay, now they're eating ice cream. What is this? I thought this was a hair tutorial, but now you're just snacking. Okay. Ice cream. I've been completely thrown off as again. Now let's switch back to hair. Oh god, I'm losing words. It's really hot. I'm scared I'm gonna get a nosebleed. Hopefully everyone's okay. Stay safe, Sydney. Um, so she's brushing it out as I said earlier. Never leave your hair curled because it's just embarrassing. And look at that. Look at that. Those textured waves. I hope I said the right thing. But from the looks of this, she's going for a, you know, I'm gonna say a bridal look, maybe to kind of do what she had at her wedding. But Chex's hair isn't like this anymore. She cut it, and that bottle looks like it had her hair in it, but it doesn't. And now they're hairspraying it, you know, just to maintain that look over time, because especially in this climate where you're just gonna sweat a lot, you want to make sure that your hair is just constantly has that curl, but not too much curl, just brushed out curls, you know, and just some weight and it's not weight, heaviness. No, it's not heaviness. Thickness. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. That thick hair though. So yeah, she's spraying that, kind of puffing it out to make sure it kind of doesn't sit too close to her face. And it's about to finish. So thanks everyone.